This video will show you how to replace the mirror switch on a Ford Edge. This will be mounted to your front door panel. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. To be able to gain access to our switch, we have to dislodge our entire switch panel. Keep in mind you will have electrical wiring harnesses behind this area. Now as I go to start removing this, I'm going to use a plastic trim tool, and I'm also using a small pocket screwdriver. As far as the trim tool, I'm coming underneath this edge here. I can gently start prying. I can only go so far because inside of this area there's going to be a small locking tab. I just want to carefully separate this area enough that I'm pressing on the locking tab, and now I can twist. As I'm twisting, I'm lifting this up and out of position, and as I mentioned, there are electrical connectors under this. Let's just assist this in coming out. There we go. Now that we have that pulled up and out of place, the one electrical connector that we need to deal with under here leads directly to our mirror switch. Now as far as this electrical connector, it does have a locking tab. It's on the inboard side closest to the window switch. I'm just going to squeeze that in and we'll pull this out of place. Once you have it dislodged, of course a quick inspection for corrosion. I don't see any there. We can see our locking tab that I squeezed in on. That wiring looks good. Let's move along to the removal of the mirror switch. As far as removing the mirror switch from the plastic panel, you're going to find that it has two small metallic locking tabs. There's one up here, the other one's just underneath. You're going to carefully squeeze the two together. Typically you can do this by hand, you can also use pliers. Just be careful not to cause any damage to anything you're planning on reusing. Just try it with some pliers here. Okay. So I have this starting to come out along the top. I need to do the same down along the bottom. I'm applying light pressure here. As I mentioned, I don't want to cause any damage to anything. Now that I have this broken free on both sides, let's go ahead and turn this over, and I'm going to continue on pressing it through. We'll roll this out of place. And there it is, friend. Prior to installation of any part, of course, we're going to make sure we clean and inspect the mounting area. As far as this is concerned, we have the outside of our plastic panel. I'm using a clean rag, no detergents. Along the inboard side, let's confirm that this is in good usable order as well. No cracks or damage. Now it's time to install the front mirror switch. Now as we look at the switch itself, looking down in the very center of it, you can see that it has one small locating tab. Looking at our plastic panel, you can see exactly what has to happen here. Let's go ahead and line this up. We'll press it in. We're listening for an audible click. Make sure it's lined up perfectly. There we are. Go ahead and take hold of that switch. Attempt to move it around. It should not fall out of place. Let's make our way to the electrical connector next. Now as far as our electrical connector, you remember it does have a locking tab, and that would be facing towards our window switch. We're just going to line this up, we'll press it in, listen for an audible click. After our click, a light tug. It's properly secured. Let's go ahead and get our panel in place, making sure that it's completely secured all the way around. Okay friend, we finished the installation of our mirror switch. The next thing you want to do is put the key in the on position and test the functionality. I'm going to test the driver's side mirror. I'm turning this counterclockwise. Let's make sure that the mirror does function as it should. As you can see, it does. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.